What's up, guys? Today I want to show you the difference between the Zv-1f and the original Zv-1. So this one's a little heavier. We've got foam here, hard plastic here. We've got a wide angle lens that doesn't move in and out or zoom in and out. We've got a zoom lens. It's kind of like a 24-70 type thing going on. Better mic, hot shoe, cold shoe, extra button. No, the buttons are basically the same. All right, back here, this is a hard plastic on the Zv-1f, the cheaper one, newer one. This is a squishy squish. Squishy squish, grippy, slippery. But I like the way the Zv-1f feels. Buttons are the same. USB-C, old version. So better charging here, lighter. One thing that's nice is you have the filter thread. Here you'd have to put some crazy contraption on there to have a filter thread, and you got a wide angle adapter here. You can just screw filters and adapters right on there and have a very wide angle for a vlogging setup. So I kind of think the Zv-1f is better for YouTube and for vlogging than the original Zv-1. The original is better for photography, especially if you want to do like portraits or something. It looks like they both got a Zeiss lens. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I just filmed a video comparing these two for video, so check that out. Okay, wait. Okay, so the quarter 20 is way over there. Okay, quarter 20 is right next to the battery door on this one. So way better for mounting this on a tripod if you're doing YouTube type stuff. Oh, there's the cat. This cat's been all in my skateboarding videos lately. It's not my cat, but it just hangs out back here. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, scroll through the channel. Thanks for watching.